Can you steam clean synthetic carpets? Steam cleaning, also called hot water extraction, is a great way to clean synthetic fiber carpets. Water, mixed with a cleaning solution, is heated to a high temperature, and then pressure injected into the carpet. Dust and dirt are loosened, and a steam wand pulls the water out. The wet debris comes with it, leaving behind a clean carpet. Before steam cleaning your carpets, be sure to check what kind of carpet you have. Most natural fibers don't respond well to steam cleaning. The process can even damage some fibers, such as jute. You should also consider the value of the carpet or rug you want cleaned. If you have very expensive flooring material, or if you are nervous about cleaning the carpeting, it is best to hire an expert. Some people dislike steam cleaning because the process uses large quantities of water and, sometimes, harsh chemicals, and if the carpets are not dried properly, they can become breeding grounds for mildew and mold. Steam cleaning can even damage the hardiest of synthetic carpets if done too often. That's why our team of carpet cleaning professionals make sure to remove moisture and any potential issues for mold and mildew growth. Steam cleaning equipment is easy to rent or buy, but it is quite a bit more complicated to use correctly. Effective carpet cleaning requires the proper training as well as the proper equipment. One common mistake is not extracting enough water from the carpets, leaving the carpets even messier than before. This can also lead to water damage, or mold growing on the floors underneath or on furniture. Another common mistake is using incorrect cleaning solutions. Certain cleaning solutions can be too harsh, or not clean the carpet thoroughly. Just a slight mistake can lead to higher costs and wasted hours on your part. Avoid any problems and lead by hiring the experts. Our cleaning experts can do the job quickly and efficiently, saving you time and money in the long run. Call us for a free quote today. To learn more, visit our website www.gocarpetcleaningatlanta.com or call us at 678-818-5698.